Hey everybody, High Mileage Rider here. If you own a Super Tenere, you've probably asked yourself at some point why the stock headlight bulbs aren't all that great. They're 55 watt projector halogens. They're not bad, but they're not great. In this day and age when all bikes seem to be coming with LED headlights, you may be asking yourself, what can I use for an upgrade on my Super Tenere to get that bright white look and illuminate the road better? In this video, I'm going to show you what I chose to do the upgrade. The LedPerf LED bulbs. If you're interested in an upgrade, come on back. Welcome back, everybody. In the description, there will be a link to where I purchased these bulbs and what the cost was in Canadian dollars. Free shipping for this unit. Now, let me turn this camera around. I'll show you some pictures before and after of the stock halogen bulbs, with me changing one LED bulb on one side, comparing it to the halogen on the other, changing both, and then turning out the lights in the garage, showing you what they look like. Then, after all of that, we'll head out on the road where it matters at night, and you can see how they perform. Okay, so here we are, out at night with no street lights on a nice deserted road, nice and dark. These are the LedPerf H7 Nano upgrade bulbs. They have 7,600 lumens of light between the two of them. So I showed you pictures of the stock halogens compared with the LedPerf H7 Nano bulbs in my garage with the lights turned out. Now, unfortunately, I didn't think to make a video of the stock halogens at night before I changed the bulbs. But believe me when I say the LED upgrade bulbs are a substantially better bulb than the stock halogens. Okay, from low beam to high beam. Now, with the high beam on, it does shine a little further down the road, but mostly I notice it illuminates the side of the road much better. Now, back to low beam. High beam again, and back to low beam. So, as I say, it is a much better upgrade. However, if you're going to ride at night, I wouldn't ride with just an upgraded headlight bulb.
So, especially if you're driving on this kind of road regularly at speed, you want to see if animals jump out, a car's going to pull out in front of you or something. So, stay tuned for our next video, where we will show you the auxiliary lights that we have on the bike. So, until the next video, if you like this video, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing to the channel. It really does help. YouTube will let you know when we have new videos coming out. And until the next video, remember to keep that right hand cranked and the rubber side down.